Hi there, welcome to our video how to create pages in Touch Portal. Click the new button. Mine will be named Apps. As you can see, the page selection bar changes to your newly created page. We will create a button to go back to the main page. Drag your back item to your preferred button. Click Yes. Click on the button. The background of my back button will be transparent. Click the plus button and select Go to Page. Select the page Main and click Add. Click Save. Click the page selection bar and select Main. Drag your chosen icon to your preferred button. Click Yes. Click on the button. The background of this button will also be transparent. Click the plus button and select Go to Page. Select your newly created page and click Add. And click Save. Now you can test the button you created in the app. Press the refresh button on your phone or tablet. Tap the button you just created. You can see that your page switched to your created page. Tap the back button to go back to the main page. Till the next video, enjoy!